Apple Watch Series 7, GPS 45mm, smartwatch with Starlight aluminum case with Starlight Sport Band. Fitness tracker, blood oxygen and ECG apps, always on Retina display, water resistant. Price, $429.99, brand, Apple, model name, Apple Watch Series 7, style, GPS, color, Starlight aluminum case with Starlight Sport Band. Screen size, 45mm, shape, square, target audience, unisex adult, compatible devices, earbuds, laptop, smartphone, compatible phone models, iPhone. Special feature activity tracker, heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, blood oxygen, fall detector, always on Retina display, always on Altimeter activity tracker, heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, blood oxygen, fall detector, always on Retina display, always on Altimeter. Meet the Apple Watch Series 7, your ultimate health and fitness companion. With a striking 45mm Starlight aluminum case and a Starlight Sport Band, this smartwatch is not only a technological marvel but also a fashion statement. Featuring a fitness tracker, it's your personal trainer on your wrist. It records your movements, keeping you on track with your fitness goals. Whether you're running, swimming, or cycling, this watch has your back. The Apple Watch Series 7 takes health monitoring to the next level. With blood oxygen and ECG apps, it tracks your vitals, giving you a comprehensive overview of your health. It's like having a personal doctor, always on call. But it doesn't stop at health and fitness. The Apple Watch Series 7 is your all-day assistant. It manages your calls, texts, and notifications, so you never miss a beat. With its always-on Retina display, you'll have all your information at a glance. And let's not forget, the Apple Watch Series 7 is water resistant. Whether you're caught in the rain, swimming, or just washing your hands, your watch is safe. It's built to last, designed to withstand the elements. So why wait? Upgrade your lifestyle with the Apple Watch Series 7. It's more than a watch, it's a lifestyle. It's time to step into the future. Embrace the smart life with Apple Watch Series 7.